Hi guys, with the festive season right around the corner, I wanted to share my recipe for halwa with you guys. First, we're going to start off with the milk. We're going to add some brown sugar to that and the spices, and we're going to warm that through until the sugar is dissolved and set that aside. Then in a heavy bottom pan, we're going to take the semolina or the Sooji, and first I like to dry roast mine for a couple of minutes, and then I like to add my ghee. You want to get this nice and brown, and then we're going to go in with your raisins and the almonds, which are optional. Once that's brown to your liking, we're going to go in with the milk mixture. You want to be very careful here. Lower your heat to the lowest setting and let that start coming together. You're going to stir continuously. This might take about 5 minutes, but keep stirring until the mixture starts leaving the sides of the pan. Don't make it too dry because as it sits, it's going to get more dry. Once it comes together, it's ready. I like to garnish mine with some chopped almonds and serve it warm.